Hi, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. I am working on my April Stampin' Dreams blog hop card. It is my favorite DSP, so I have picked this. This is a black and white called Petal Passion, and I like that you get to add any color you want to it. So of course I had to cut out a piece from this floral pattern and do the blends with it. One of the things I like to use as a trick is, this is a Copic black marker that I like to edge with, and then I also love to use white gel pen. And I will show you what I ended up making. So I colored this, and if you look at it close up, you can see where I added the white gel accents for the sun highlights. I also outlined the edge in black with that black Copic marker. You could use any black marker. I just happen to always use that particular one. A black Sharpie would work just as well. And then for the layers, I used Soft Sky Light, and I'm going to put it on the layer. I didn't want to emphasize any particular flower color for this. One of the things you'll notice that I tend to do is use multiple colors. Because I only get a light and a dark with the blends, I tend to use other colors with the colors. So in this case I used Pumpkin Pie Light and Dark on this flower, and I added Daffodil Delight to emphasize the colors. I used Daffodil Delight light and dark, so I ended up using 4 different colors on that flower. In this case with the yellow, I did just need the Daffodil Delight light and dark. I didn't feel I needed to go into any of the other colors, but on this purple here I used Rich Razzleberry and Pink Pirouette. Over here I used Cherry Cobbler on the rose, light and dark, as well as light and dark Pink Pirouette. And for the greens, I wanted a little bit lighter green, so I used the lightest Old Olive as well as the light Daffodil Delight. And these little flowers here are done with the light and dark Pink Pirouette. And then I added the dots pretty much all over the place to emphasize the sun highlights. And I am going to put it on a black base. I just have a black 5.5 by 4.25 here to show you what it's going to look like when I get it all together. It's hard to do this one-handed. So there it is, and then what I did again is, not wanting to cover up or emphasize any of the particular flowers, I went with the green of the leaves. And it is going to, when it all comes together, look somewhat like this. So this is going to be for my April Stampin' Dreams blog hop. And I hope you will like the article and enjoy hopping through all of the wonderful inspiration ideas that people have come up with. Thanks for watching.